Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create your own TikTok shop. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to our TikTok app and we are going to go to our profile. And as you can see in our TikTok interface, there is no available TikTok shop icon because it's not yet activated. So we are going to set our private account into public account for us to activate our TikTok shop. So go to the upper right hand corner of our TikTok interface and click the three lines icon and then click settings and privacy and then click the privacy and then switch it into public account. So with a public account, anyone will be able to follow you, view your public posts, and answer your questions from public posts. Anyone can also duet with your videos, anyone can stitch with your videos, and anyone can download your videos. So just click switch. And we are now going to switch our account into a business account. So just click the three lines again and then go to settings and privacy and then click account. And then switch to business account. With a business account, you will get more business features in Business Suite. Your existing videos and contents won't be affected. So you can learn about your audience, you can reach more people, and you can access conversion tools. So you are going to select the category that best describes your account. This category won't be displayed publicly. So for our business account, our TikTok shop will focus on shopping and retail, and then click next. So you may or may not add your email, but adding your email to your profile will allow you to connect with your customers directly. So you can always change this later. So for now, we are going to skip this. So our profile is already completed. Now we are ready to engage with our audience. So we can create a video later. And now since we've already switched our private account into public and we also switched it into business account, we can already set up our TikTok shop. So let's go back to our profile and click the three lines at the upper right hand corner again. And then this time we are going to click the creator tools, then scroll down and then click the TikTok shop for creator. TikTok shop allows creators like you to showcase your favorite products. When you join, you will be able to share shoppable products with viewers in your videos. To facilitate your connection with sellers and agencies, your basic info, your live and video data, and relevant performance data will be shared with sellers and agencies through Creator Marketplace. To be eligible, accounts must be in good standing, follow our community guidelines, and meet the following requirements. And there are requirements set for you to open your TikTok shop. So you must have over 1,000 followers, so 1,000 is the minimum, and you must be at least 18 years old. So you can receive marketing messages from TikTok Shop, so just enable that if you want. You may or may not. And for us to continue creating our TikTok shop, we have to agree to the creator terms of use and TikTok shop privacy policy and acknowledge that your basic info Your live and video data and relevant performance data will be shared with sellers and agencies through Creator Marketplace. So just click Apply. And there, congratulations, you can now sell and earn. So our application was already approved. We can start earning by selling TikTok affiliate products. So just click Start Earning. We are going to start promoting products in TikTok. So the step one is we are going to create a commission account and we are going to add products to our showcase tab from Product Marketplace. So why promote products with TikTok Shop? You can monetize your content, you can access a huge range of products, and you can promote products and earn commission. So click go to step one. To set up an account to receive commissions, we are going to make sure that the name matches the name on your beneficiary account, or you may not be able to withdraw commissions. The name can't be changed once it is submitted. So make sure that your name matches the name on your beneficiary account. So we are going to type our first name and then type in the last name and click submit. And there, we've already completed step one. We've created our account. Now we are going to add products. So for step two, you can just scroll down and you're just going to choose a product to promote in your TikTok shop. So for example, we are going to choose this feminine wash and just click add to showcase. And then this is our TikTok shop interface. So you can scroll down, you can explore this one later. And we can check our TikTok shop on our account. So we are just going to go back to our profile and click the TikTok shop icon. So there you go. The product that we've chosen a while ago to promote, it's already in our TikTok shop. So that's how easy we can create our TikTok shop. So that's how easy we can create our TikTok shop. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.